Metaproject is a semester-long design partnership offered to industrial design seniors at RIT. The sponsors revealed on the first day of class, and for this year, the sponsor was Goodluck. Our class had the unique challenge of working collaboratively to design a dining experience. We split into teams, each group handling a different aspect of the experience. A semester in the making, the night began at 5:30 p.m. The experience began with guests being escorted to the entrance to Goodluck. We darkened the vestibule and laid a floor of moss down to work as a transitional space. Guests were greeted by the coat team. The coats were then hung in full view and celebrated. Metaproject 08's color was blue. This was applied throughout the night, including the cocktail, served during a brief period of social mingling. Blue was chosen as a transitional color, and the lights indicated that seating and a night of design dining could begin. Spring colors and a green dyed burlap tablecloth set the theme of the first course. Chef Dan chose a mix of spring greens and edible flowers, presented in a bouquet for guests to unwrap. Dressing was served in watering cans, providing guests with a playful experience. The mural team used lettuce leaves as a stencil to begin work on a visual representation of the evening. The second course began with a color change to green and orange. Inspired by the act of berry picking, guests are served shrimp and chorizo on skewers, presented on a custom-designed, laser-cut wooden base. A fishnet tablecloth alluded to the feeling of summer, and the mural team switched to bell peppers for this season's stencil. A romesco sauce was provided in a Metaproject sauce pen. Before they began to eat, guests were invited to write a word encapsulating summer on their plate. Once again, a light change signified the next course, fall. This season's tablecloth subtly evoked the feeling of crunching fall leaves through its texture and sound. For this season, we wanted to encourage collaboration and sharing, using a classic family-style banquet. Food was served on Lazy Susan turntables to facilitate interaction between guests. Throughout the night, a student DJ provided soundscapes and music to complement the meals. The mural team used cut potatoes as their stencil, and the night progressed through its third course. It was time for the final course, and we wanted to conclude on a high note. Our furniture team sourced a thermochromic material to be used as a tablecloth, which reacted to heat with a color change. Guests discovered this quickly with their hands, and we furthered the experience with a hot drink and a hot caramel sauce, providing a kinetic experience for our winter season. To conclude, the mural team used pine cones as a stencil, filling the once white wall with color. It was over. A semester of planning and 3 hours of execution. We were Metaproject 08, designing dining.